araw mga kaibigan, nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng Bigan City Hall, preparing sa tawag nilang Ride for History. Motorcycle caravan papuntang Lalo Cagayan, and from Lalo Cagayan back to Bigan. Bakit kaya nila tinawag na Bike for History? Alamin natin ang sagot kay Mayor Eva Marie Medina.
Talagang they're making history kasi because of the transfer of the seat of the diocese from Lalo Cagayan to Bigan, parang pilgrimage ride din ito, pilgrimage tour for them. Kaya tinawag naming Bike for History. Kasi in our lifetime, we're very lucky that we reached ng 250th year anniversary ng transfer ng seat. Aside from going to Lalo Cagayan, they're coming back bringing the symbolic cross that will signify yung transfer ng seat.
Historical trip ride. Pero teka lang, alamin muna natin kay Mr. Bong Pebenito kung ano yung mga safety measures na dapat i-execute para iwas disgrasya.
Importante yung helmet, yun ang pinaka-importante, helmet. Tapos yung jacket, knee pad, elbow pad, tsaka riding shoes.
Composed of 30 riders from different bike groups under the umbrella organization of Federación de los Motoristas de Ilocos Sur ang inimbitahan ni Mayor Eva Medina na siyang mag-e-escort sa biyahe ng historical cross galing sa bayan ng Lalo, kung saan matatagpuan ito sa probinsya ng Cagayan.
Yung pinag-uusapan namin noon na crossing speed, bale 75 ang maximum yung pinaka-lead, yung lead marshal. O, siyempre magbabari na yun sa mga sumusunod dahil siyempre yung pag-overtake nila. Tatlong stop siguro pag ano natin mag-umpisa dito sa sir, sa may San Nicolas, dun sa may Arco ng Pagudpo, dun sa may gas doon, tsaka dun sa may Claveria.
Okay itong ride na to, todo suporta. Siyempre yan yung security natin, PNP headed.
Morning.
Ay! Oh! Let's go! Ay! Oh! Let's go! Ay! Oh! Let's go! Ay! Oh! Let's go! The moment is straight line. You're going through a time one. Keep the little deadline. Let's speak from the pilot in the backseat. The generates the heat. The tapes in the backseat. Let's speak from shoot them in the back now. What they want, I don't know. They're all ripped up and ready to go. The moment in straight line. They're going through a tight one. You keep to listen their mind. The blitzkrieg bump. The pilot in the back seat. The generates the heat. The tapes in the back seat. The blitzkrieg bump.
Ay, anong gagawin natin? Gas lang?
Maggagas tsaka kakain na sir.
Pizza?
Yan sa kabila.
Ayos.
Okay sir.
Gas consumption kaya natin, aabutin ng ilan? One way, sir.
Mga 2,000 pesos.
One way.
Ano?
Pang-import lang, pang-import.
Ay, oh, let's go. Shoot 'em in the back now.